Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out the Dose of Colors lip liner in the shade Honeymoon that I got in my April 2021 Boxycharm Premium Box. So if you have not seen my unboxing of that, I'll have that video linked in the description down below so that you can see all of the products that I got. But I love lip liners. Probably within the past few months, lip liner became something that I need to wear every single day. It just makes such a difference in how my lips look and how my lipstick looks. Lipstick, lip gloss, whatever it may be, all of it, in my opinion, looks better on me when I line my lips first. And I was going many years without doing that trick, and now there's no turning back for me. So I'm always excited to try out new lip liners because of that. And I love the brand Dose of Colors. I think the packaging on this is really nice. It has a built-in sharpener, which is that on the bottom here? Yes, on the bottom here. And then it's a twist up. So you twist it from the top. And this has a retail value of $14. And I was looking this up on the Dose of Colors website, and it comes in a bunch of different shades. I saw 18 shades on the website and such a range of different colors. This one, I think it might be different than any other lip liner that I have. It looks a little bit orange online, so why don't I start with a swatch? Ooh, it's almost like it's a little bit orange, but it's almost like a bright peachy nude shade, which is really pretty and maybe a great summer shade. And it says that this is a creamy, long-wearing lip liner that delivers transfer resistant, you know I love that, high coverage color with a matte finish. It definitely seems very creamy from that swatch and super pigmented. I am so excited to see how this looks on my lips. All right, so I'm just gonna start out by just lining my bottom lip. This shows up so nice and bright. At first I thought it might be a little bit similar to my natural lip color, but now seeing it up to my natural lip color, it's actually very different from my natural lip color. But so on the bottom lip, I just lined right on the edge. But then on the top lip, I like to go a little bit overlined and just go slightly on top of my natural lip line. And then I also, when I use a lip liner, I can make my top lip a little bit more even and symmetrical because my natural lip is not super symmetrical. But that's another reason why I love to use a lip liner every day, because it gives the illusion of more ideal lips, in my opinion. So this is a great lip liner if you were just to wear it as a liner and then put a different lipstick or a lip product on top of it. It's super precise, crisp edges, but I'm very intrigued by this color. I do not know if I'm going to be able to pull this off, so I'm going to go ahead and fill in my entire lips with it. Wow, it's definitely a very soft, creamy formula because I used up the tip of it completely and I actually had to twist it up, so you actually go through this product pretty fast. And what do we think? It's actually not terrible of a shade on me. Not my most flattering shade, or maybe it takes some getting used to, but I don't know, it definitely looks orangey. I don't know if I could pull this off on its own, but that's okay. There's tinted lip glosses, other lipsticks that I could just easily put on top of this to make it a little bit more flattering for my coloring. But I'm very impressed by how pigmented it is and how much coverage it has. Like, it's so opaque, even though it's a lighter type of shade, it's completely covered. Like my natural lip color, there's no, like, it's opaque. There's none of my natural lip color showing through. And it's very matte. It kind of has that dry feeling, especially for me and my dry, chapped types of lips. Like, there's a lot of texture, a lot of lines in my lips. So just not something that I personally would really wear alone because of that. I just need something more comfortable, more flattering and smoothing for my dry lips. But this does claim to be long wearing, so let's do a kiss test and see the transfer. Yeah, absolutely no transfer. So that is one of the really good things about a matte dry lip product like this, is it's going to stay in place, no transfer coming off. So I do love a long wearing lip product, but for this, I think my use is just going to be to outline my lips and then put maybe more of like a coral shade on top of it. I think would be a nice combination. I feel like Boxycharm is always sending me some sort of shade that's not something I would personally purchase for myself, but I like that because it gets me out of my comfort zone to try something different and something new. And in this case, it's not as bad as I was expecting, but it's not my new favorite lip color. It's also not my new favorite lip liner, but for the purpose of just lining the lips, it's not bad and I will still use it. But I would love to hear your thoughts on the Dose of Colors lip liner in the comments down below. If you've tried it out, if you've tried it out in other shades, let me know if you have any favorites. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.